Introducing the 10th book in the Magical Creatures and Crafts series. Written by Sue Fleece, illustrated by Simona Sanfilippo, published by Sky Pony Press. How to Teach a Monster. Late one night, a monster who was very large and hairy said, "I wish I didn't always have to be so scary." But scaring was the only thing that he knew how to do. Maybe I just need someone to teach me something new. He left in search of answers. Who could help him with his quest? These kids, he thought, are kind and patient. Surely they'll know best. And so they teach the monster how to bake. But learning new things can be tricky. Will the monster succeed? Read the book to find out. Available everywhere books are sold. Collect all 10.